Hey Janet,
Yes.
is this tree leaf used to make Chinese tea?
Oh, it's more like close relative. It's a kind of tea oil tree.
Oh.
And the fruit of this tree can produce oil.
Oh wow, so it's basically like Chinese olive oil. So we can make delicious food with that oil.
Sure, let's go and taste it.
All right, let's go.
Go.
我们是2012年就开始榨油了，到现在已经也有12年左右了，每年大概上20万斤茶油。从前就是茶油只是一种农作物，但现在的话，它等于相当于一种产业的话，我们每次收的茶籽还可以让工人来赚点零花钱这样子。
Compared to the normal oil, I feel like frying the food in this oil, you can tell it has a very distinct taste.
Yeah,
And it's really good.
这里呢是我们的山茶油的生产加工车间，我们的生产都是有机的我们原材料也是有机的，我们年生产量可以达到500吨，智能化竞争程度特别高我们的原油通过我们这一套精炼设备过去呢，它是可以直饮的，而且它最大程度的上是保持了我们山茶油的活性，各种营养成分。
Hi Tyler, we are now standing on the top of the tea oil tree mountain.
Today, I see here that the oil tea industry has formed a completely industrial system processing ecological, economic, and social benefits. The Chinese countryside has taken a brand new look.